Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is being safe and trying to stay at home. And like I said in my other videos, there's people that are unfortunate like myself. We are just not financially stable to stay home all the time. We can't go to the store and get everything we need at one time. So I know it is just impossible for those people and myself to just go one time to the store and then stay stuck in the house. And for those people, I want to say, just I'm doing the same thing, and just make sure you're washing your hands really good and just try to stay safe. You know what I mean? That's all we could do right now. I hope this pandemic is just over soon, y'all. But it's affecting every one of us. But anyways, guys, again, try to stay safe. For those of you that are actually stuck in the house all the time, at least there's YouTube. So I do have some spoilers to show y'all, and this is going to be for the June BoxyLuxe box, and I also got some confirmed spoilers for the BoxyCharm base box for June. So that's exciting, at least, I hope. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, give me a thumbs up, and also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified, you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was about Daisy Marquez's haunted video being cursed. Congratulations, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Jenny, honey. It's good to see you. Honey, I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're well. And I really appreciate you coming to watch the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first I'm going to show you what we got for the BoxyCharm June base box. Now, these are confirmed. So the first thing I'm going to show you is Natasha De Nona. Can you believe it? It's in a base box. Now, this is a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. And here, I'm going to throw some up on the screen to show you. Now, we don't know the exact shades that are going to be in the palette. And if I'm correct, it's going to be a new one. So this is going to be one you haven't seen yet. So I'm really excited to see that and see what people think of it. Now, next up, there is going to be a Kylie Skin product. Now, this one's kind of dicey because, I've seen the reviews. Either people are really loving it or they are really hating it. So I don't know. Are you excited to be getting something from Kylie Skin? Let us know down in the comments. And again, that was for the June BoxyCharm base box, and again, confirmed. So as soon as they reveal that product, I'm going to let y'all know. So next up is the June BoxyLuxe box. Now, the only spoiler I've got for that right now is, again, it's going to be a Kylie Skin product. I don't think they're going to be the same products in both boxes. So here are some of her skin products. I don't really know exactly which product it's going to be. It might be a set of products or something, I would assume, for the BoxyLuxe box, but then again, nothing's confirmed about which product. So that is for June BoxyLuxe. And as soon as they reveal the products, I will keep you guys updated. I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Lord, I hope I say this right. Congratulations, Marianne. Is it Decessory? I hope I said that right, but if I didn't, I apologize. Anyways, Marianne says, your cat must love you to pieces. It's so cute. Well, Marianne, that was Princess that was bugging me in that video. And, well, all my cats, they actually hate me. They're just on here to get famous. They just don't understand they're on the wrong channel to do that. I call them my clout chasing kitties. But yeah, they hate me, but I do love them. But I really appreciate you watching the video, Marianne. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's been unsubscribing people like crazy. I don't know what their problem is. Somebody needs a good stern talking to up there at the YouTube lab, at the YouTube building, wherever that is. They need a stern talking to. But if you would, double check that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.